Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be upgrading my super weak and pathetic halogen reverse lights on my Jeep Wrangler to these amazing high output LEDs with an actual projector on the end here. So they project out like a spotlight. They claim to provide up to a 500% increase in light output. They're about 1,500 lumens. I know there are some LED lights upgraded for your vehicle that are on the market that provide up to 2,000 lumens, but they do not have the projector, which is really supposed to display the light behind your vehicle really well. And since the purpose of reverse lights is to be able to illuminate behind you when you're reversing, I thought these were worth a shot. So I'm going to be doing a quick comparison on the stock ones, what they look like at night and during the day, as well as after I install these bad boys. All right, here is a test with the stock halogen bulbs during the daytime. All right, got my tail light removed the stock halogen bulb, and I'm going to install this bad boy. What's nice is the polarity doesn't matter, so you can insert it either way. Just clicks in, and then again the projector points in straight out the back to provide you with a lot of illumination. All right, so this is the test after they're installed during the daytime, obviously. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick comparison video between the stock halogen lights and these upgraded Oxedo lights. I'll put a link below to where you can purchase them on Amazon. They're about 18 bucks a pair, and they come in a variety of different sizes for different vehicles. I actually ended up buying some for my turn signals as well as my brake lights, and they are super bright as well. It's supposed to have a really, really long life because they have low power consumption as well. So please, if you found this video informative, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.